10 campfire gadgets you'll remember to pack for every trip. These campfire gadgets might spark an interest for you to try a new style or to improve on what you have already been doing. Maybe you're preparing meals with campfire cooking, or maybe you're in need of small or portable with no clean-up. Cool camping gadgets have a corner of the marketplace, and most of them revolve around the fire. From the grandiose to the small and practical, and everything in between, we've got you covered. Some are old, some are new, but all are pretty awesome pieces of camping gear. Check out these 8 ideal campfire gadgets and add some specialized outdoor gear to your camping trip necessities. This process seems easy enough for an effortless fire starter, plus a long-lasting flame. This takes the guesswork and messiness out of s'more making. How's that for multifunctional? This Camp Chef beauty might come in handy for the right family of campers. It's not just a camping stove, but an oven too. Go all out and cook just about anything you want over an open fire pit with this bad boy. This grill keeps things small and contained, but still pull off the campfire idea with an easy way to cook what you need. Customers love it for hot dogs and burgers. This gadget allows you to charge your cell phone while you cook. Boil water, prepare some tea, and check in with the family. This is one of the original campfire gadgets, tried and true for any cooking needs. It's heavy-duty enough to hold cast iron and filled kettles. What's a campfire with feeding the kids some s'mores? This family fun pack has some sweet accessories. A coffee maker is something we miss on camping trips. Luckily, there's a coffee maker that's perfect for making coffee on the go. The AeroPress can make 1 to 3 cups of coffee in about a minute. Take it on car camping trips. This post was originally published on March 28, 2019.